Hello everyone, I've got another tutorial for you for my newest template. Just going to show you how to put an image in and change everything to your liking. So here I've got an image ready to go of a football player. So I'm going to click on that layer over here, or just click on it over here with your move tool and click Command or hit Command A to select all. You could also go up here and say select all, and then Command C for copy, and, and come over here on your template and click on the image, and you want to go ahead and Command V, paste your new image in on top of that is what I generally do, and then you can go ahead and delete this one. And so now you still have that selected, and you're going to go Command T and hold down your Option key and go ahead and resize to your liking here. And you want to keep holding the command. And so now you can just scoot him down just a little bit. There you go. I like him overlapping the letters a little bit. Some people don't, but that's my preference. And then, so I just clicked OK up there. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on my football layer, have that show up. Deselect or click on the eyeball here to make my volleyball layer go away. It was peeking through just a little bit on there. So there I've just got my football. Now I want to change the color. So I'm going to go ahead and start with I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. Here's the blue layer that needs to be purple, so I will double click on that. Here it says double click to change color, and then my color picker pops up. So what I usually do is just click on the image, and that'll give you usually a color that you like. If not, you can kind of tweak it just a little bit. I think I want it to be brighter so that it shows up a little more up here. So we've got that, and still working our way up. We're going to change the Trojans to a purple stroke around that. So it's the bottom one right here. I just know that, but you can kind of click and see that one is a gradient and this one is the color. So you double click, and again, just kind of click in the image to get what color you want. And I think I'm going to go a little bit lighter on that as well. Click OK. Sometimes I will click Command C while I'm in this color picker mode, and that you can see that this is selected and it will copy that. So then I can use it in the rest of the design. So click OK, OK, and then we've got the white fog. We're going to change that to purple as well. So I double clicked on that, and now I'm going to just Command V. So I've got that same color that I can put it in. Now you could change it up a little bit if you wanted, and you could go a little bit lighter or a little bit darker, whatever you like. Maybe go just a little bit lighter. And then moving up, I've got the name. Double click on that. I'm going to click on that bottom layer to change the color. I'm double clicking, Command V, click OK, OK. The number on his jersey, I'm going to change the color on that as well. Command V, OK. And then senior. There's a stroke around that that's blue right now, and I'll just change that to purple as well. So that's it, super easy. If you want to change the text, you can click on the text layer. It'll bring it up down here. That's with your move tool. And then I'm going to click on T for my text tool. I'm going to highlight all of that, and I'm going to change it to whatever I want it to be. Or you could go Mustangs. And see there, it gets just a little bit wide. I usually like to leave a little bit of area around the edges for printing. And I also would want to, in this case, still selected in that, I would want to click the center tool. So that actually does it pretty good, but if you need to make that a little less wide, you can click on the character panel over here, and I just highlight that and start hitting my down arrow until I see it where I want, and then you're done with that. So let's see, number 8, we're going to change that to a number 2, clicking on the layer, and I'm going to click the T for for the text tool, change that to 2. You can see that if it was like 24 or something, it'll just kind of scoot it right into place. So 2 for him. And he is not Eliana, so I'm going to go ahead and change his name to Tristan Cardwell. So again, if you had like a long name or something, you wouldn't put the middle name in there, but I'm just showing you what you can do for that. You don't need to highlight it there. Sorry about that. You just go make sure that your layer is selected here, and you go to the character panel again, and here it's 72%, and just keep clicking your down arrow until it fits. That's the kerning, and that's super easy. That's all I've got. Thank you.